What's good, everybody? So today we're working on the 2015 Volkswagen Passat. I believe this engine is a 1.8. We're gonna be working on the alternator. Before you even start on the alternator, anytime you work on any electrical parts or anything like that, you guys wanna make sure to unplug the negative side, which this one is a 10 millimeters. So go ahead and remove the negative side, just put it to the side, make sure it doesn't touch the battery. And then we're gonna start working on this alternator. The second thing is to loosen up the tension to be able to remove this belt out the way from the alternator and get you a 60 millimeter. Either you can get a wrench or get a ratchet, either or. I think the ratchet works pretty good, and if you have an extended ratchet, even better. So to loosen up the tension, you're gonna do it towards the front of the vehicle, as you guys can see right there. Alright, so once you remove the belt, go ahead and get you a 13 millimeters, and you're gonna remove 4 bolts, which is 2 right here on the top and 2 on the bottom. And I'll recommend removing the bottom ones first. You guys can get a better grip on the alternator while you loosen up the ones on the top instead of the bottom ones last. And once you do that, you're gonna want to remove the power cable from the alternator and the signal wire. So let me go ahead and remove these, and I'll show you guys what size and how to remove the ones. Okay, whenever you loosen up the bolts, the one on the right on the bottom side is not going to come out because of the fan. So what I did is just loosen it up all the way and left it right there for right now. And the next step after that, go ahead and remove the little cap for the power wire, which is that one right there, and it's going to be just like this. So you just go ahead and pull it back, and it's going to remove. And that one is a 13 millimeters. After removing that, you're going to want to remove this connection right here. And this one is pretty simple. You're gonna just squeeze this and then pull it back as well. So let me go ahead and do that and show you guys how to position the alternator to be able to remove it. And once you remove those 2 connections, go ahead and remove this bolt and this one right here, and also remove this connection. This connection is the same thing as the one on the alternator, but it's on the bottom. So just squeeze on the bottom and pull back. And for these are gonna be T30s. Once you loosen up everything, this is pretty flexible, so you can either put something right here below it or just raise it up as you remove the alternator. As you can see right there, it is pretty close to this one, but it's just because I have it sitting right there. And I can also move this one a little bit more, but I just wanted to show you guys how to set it up, that way it can come out pretty easily. And as you can see, this bolt right there is the one that I was telling you guys that it's not going to come out just because of the fan. But once you remove it, you can take it out and put it on the new one. Make sure to put that bolt that I was telling you guys before you put it in there. Now you're gonna have some trouble trying to put it back in, or you're gonna have to remove the alternator again. That's gonna be it for this video. If you guys have any questions, or if you're not subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and turn on notifications. And see you guys in the next video. Peace.